Welcome to Aiden Reviews, or it'll do, a 2013 David Gill. Bought off eBay. Now to the unboxing. Alright, now we have to open this side. Sorry if this is a little bit boring. Alright, so we have it finally out. This just came in the mail. I like the design of it. It moves very smoothly. The only problem is there's a little thing. It was mint in box, probably. So many people are gonna kill me. I don't know which company made it. Nascar, of course, made it. So here's the things which are bad about it. That it just looks kind of weird. The black looks a little weird. And we need better lighting. We're having an upgrade. No, that's not good. This will be replacing the old Trex. I think this is Cheerios or Lowe's. Everybody dance now, kid. Okay, yeah, that was stupid. And use the 38, my lucky number. Has nice detailing. Oh, it's a travel stop. As soon will probably be a David Reagan next review. If you have any suggestions what I should review next, leave them in the comments below, and I could actually buy them. Or my mom would buy them. Oh, and I bought this for $6.99. My mom did for me. Okay, so bye. Bye-bye. Oh, and it's full. Bye.